Johnny, j'ai $300,000 cash là que je vais déposer sous compte. J'ai besoin de faire un chèque pour le même montant.
So, $300,000 correct?
You know, she reminds me of my younger self and hungry to succeed.
Yes, she's a beautiful model.
She has a simple, unique name. Her name is Chica.
They showed me a lot of models. They told me you were new with no experience, but guess what? I think you could be the one.
Oh, thank you.
Nicodème, moi j'ai un bagage important besoin de parler. Vous pouvez venir moi en Denver, Colorado.
Ah, qué bueno. Aquí está mi amigo David. Yo quiero que lo conoces.
Es un placer conocerlo, señora Isabela.
Encantada de conocerle, Mr. David.
Hey, the guy sitting over there with the big afro, I bet you he's a big rapper of some kind.
Sir, are you a celebrity?
Oh, no, I'm not a celebrity. I'm just big, like Big Nico. They call me Big Nico.
You see that man on the first page? His name is Daniel Watson. He's a U.S. citizen originally from Haiti. He's the CEO of a nonprofit organization.
I don't like this. It's not good.
These people are taking millions of dollars, millions, under their names. They have no desire to do absolutely nothing to change the sad face of this country. It makes me sick.
No good. This is no good. The Haitian communities are being taken advantage of.
These pictures give you an overview of our determination, and I truly believe with your
FBI, everyone please remain seated, stay calm.
Eskandal, un film à ne pas rater.